Hi everyone. In a previous class, we learnt about the properties of rational numbers that are closure property, commutative property, associative property, and distributive property. Next, small topic is there, but that is a very important. The role of zero. The role of zero. Here in the textbook, 8th class textbook, role of 0 is a can you find a number when it is added to 1 by 2 gives the same number 1 by 2. So when the number 0 is added to any rational number, the rational number remains the same. For example, 1 plus 0 equal to 1 and 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Minus 2 plus 0 equal to minus 2 and 0 plus minus 2 equal to minus 2. So what is the concept here? If we add any number to the 0, for example, minus 5 by 2, add to 0, you will get minus 5 by 2 and 10 plus 0, you will get 10. So if we add any number to the 0, you will get same number. Means if you are seeing in the mirror, your image only represent on the mirror. So same like that, if we add to 0 any number, that number only you will get. That number only you will get. That is the role of 0. This is called additive identity. This is called additive identity. We are adding, no? So that's why if we add any number to the 0, that is a same number you will get. So 0 here, 0 is called a additive identity. What is the additive identity? Additive identity is a 0 means if we add any number to the 0, you will get that same number only. So that's why 0 is a additive identity. Here additive, why we mentioned additive means we are adding only, plus only we are doing. If we do addition to 0 any number, same number will be get. So that's why number not changed, no? So that's why 0 is called as a additive identity. At the same time, role of 1. Role of 1. If we do multiplication any number with a 1, for example 8 into 1, you will get 8 only. Minus 2 into 1, you will get minus 2 only. Next 0 into 1, you will get 0. So same number you are getting. Yeah. So that's why here multiplicative identity is a multiplicative identity is a 1. Now here multiplicative identity is a 1, additive identity is a 0. Means if we are adding, here we are adding to the 0 any number, same number only will be get. So that's why 0 is a additive identity and here 1 is a multiplicative identity. If you are doing multiplication with 1 any number, that same number only you will get. Same number only you will get. That's why multiplicative identity is a 1 and additive identity is a 0. And next, one more topic, that is a existence of inverse. Inverse means here opposite. Inverse means opposite. So existence of inverse. We learnt about additive identity and multiplicative identity, no? Additive identity is a 0, multiplicative identity is a 1. Now here additive inverse. Let's know about additive inverse. Additive inverse means if it is a plus means we have to put the minus symbol. If it is a minus means we have to put the plus symbol to the number. For example, if they are asking the question, write the additive inverse of 2 by 3. So additive inverse of 2 by 3. Here 2 by 3 is a positive number. So additive inverse is a minus 2 by 3. If plus is there means we have to put a minus symbol and write same number. And if it is a minus symbol, for example, minus 5 by 2 is there. So additive inverse of minus 5 by 2, 5 by 2. Next, here 2 is there. Additive inverse of 2 is a minus 2. Additive inverse of minus 10 is a plus 10. So if it is a plus means we have to put a minus, we have to put a plus, that is the additive inverse. Additive inverse. Now let's know about multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means already I said that reciprocal. Reciprocal means numerator will be denominator, denominator will be numerator. Same like that only. Multiplicative inverse. Multiplicate, for example, if they ask the question, write the multiplicative inverse of 2 by 3. Multiplicative inverse of 2 by 3, numerator, denominator, denominator will be numerator. 2 by 3 is a 3 by 2. Now let's know more some examples. Examples. Multiplicative inverse of minus 3 by 2. Multiplicative inverse of minus 2 by 3 is a minus 3 by 2 is a multiplicative inverse, that is a 2 by 3. Here minus is there, no, right, minus is as it is. And next 1 by 2. Multiplicative inverse of 1 by 2 is a minus 2 by 1, no? So 2 by 1 means minus 2 only. So this is a multiplicative inverse. And next here, for example, multiplicative inverse of minus 3. Multiplicative inverse of minus 3 means anything not there means here is a 1 divided by. So now it will be reverse. 1 by 3 minus we have to put always in front of numerator value only. Okay. And next more some examples. Multiplicative inverse of 5, that is a 1 by 5. Anything not there means 1. So 5 by 1 we have to write 1 by 5. And next 3 by 10. Multiplicative inverse of 3 by 10, 10 by 3. And more some examples. Multiplicative inverse of 1 by 6. Multiplicative inverse of 1 by 6, 6 by 1. 6 by 1 means 6 only. Denominator place the 1 is there or not there means that is a 1 only. So this is a 6. Once again I am repeating again, that is a multiplicative inverse and additive inverse. Additive inverse means we have to change the signs, means that is a positive or negative. If they have given positive integer, we have to write negative integer. If they are giving a negative integer, we have to write a positive integer. No need to change the numerator denominator. Only we have to change the positive or negative in a additive inverse. Now if it is a multiplicative inverse, here we have to focus on numerator and denominator. So if it is a numerator 3 by 2, we have to write 2 by 3. But minus symbol we have to put as it is. No need to change the symbols, that is a positive or negative. If it is a negative fraction means multiplicative inverse negative fraction only will be get. But the denominator numerator will be changed. Okay. Now minus 1 by 2, minus 2 by 1, that is a minus 2, denominator 1 is there or not there means that is a considered as a like a whole number only, that is a minus 2. And next minus 3 by 2 equal to minus 1 by 2. Always we have to put a minus symbol in front of numerator only. Okay, got it? This is a multiplicative inverse, additive inverse. Now additive inverse and additive identity. Don't get confused. Additive and identity always that is a 0 only. Additive identity is a always 0 only. Multiplicative identity is always 1 only. Multiplicative identity is always 1 only. Additive identity is always 0. Now here additive inverse, multiplicative inverse, according to the question it will be changed. Now this is about small topic, that is a multiplicative inverse, multiplicative identity, additive inverse, additive identity. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.